So what we are doing, let's do 3. Hello. So see, basically in JavaScript, this is commenting. They are commenting. Like if you want to write some comment, then you can use this, and you can also use this for commenting, this asterisk, and in there then you can write your comment, and after that you can also use this and use this. Okay. And other than that, see, inside if you write something, then this is comment, like this won't execute. Like, okay, if you are writing something here, like, okay, if even you writing a script there, then this won't execute. Why? Because this is a comment. According to JavaScript, this is a comment, this won't work. And other than that, like if you write something after this, then this is also a comment. So there are 3 comment. One is this, other is that asterisk, and this is 2/. Okay. So currently we are writing this, and our this C payload is going into the comment section. So we need to come out. So you can use this, but see, when we are using this, then they are filtering. So you can use some filtering, or other than that, you can use this also. See, now this is closed and we are outside. Like if I write something here, then this is outside, because see, this is closed, and after that our payload, and we don't care about other parts. Like I already told you, we don't care about this, and this is closed, and our payload is outside. Now we can write our payload here. Okay, see, so what we did, we fixed the payload. After that we use the payload. So I think this, so in this, so this is a little bit easy. In this, what happened, they are loading the content from the external site. So currently they given us, so see what happened, this is like, see, we already learned this in the, where we learned this, in SSRF. So this is the SSRF to XSS. I already told you, in SSRF to XSS what we can perform. Okay, you find out an SSRF, and if that is loading an XSS, then we can use that JavaScript. And if an application is loading that, see, test.js is loaded, means this is executed. So you can use this. Okay, so it's basically you can say like this is SSRF to XSS. Let's say you find out an SSRF. We already learned this. Okay, so let's do things here. Hello, see, our payload is reflecting here. So first thing, we can try out this, like, okay, close this. So we can try for the close. But what happens, see, when I'm using this double quotation, that is okay. See, but after that, see, we need to close this. See, this is start from there, close here. So we can try to close this here. But when I am using this angle bracket, they are, see, they are using the filtering. So we can use this. We cannot use this. So what you can do, you can use some encoding decoding. See, we already tried this, and this is basically 62. So after that, you can write your payload, like it's maybe it will work. See, this is not working. Okay, see, every time we are closing, that time they are, means see, closing, we cannot use this close. So other than that, close. So what we have SVG payload. So in SVG, how we can use the onload alert 1, but this won't work, because see, this is a, what happened, see, this is inside the text section, so this won't execute. So you need to find out, okay, when our payload is working, if that time it given an error, that time it will work. So they, see, basically they are filtering this part. Let's say we are using this SVG. okay, we need to change out this. See, SVG won't work because this is inside this. So we need to change the values. We can change these values. Let's say we need to write something, anything. Let's like type equals to image. So I'm just typing like, okay, type equals to image, and source equals to 1. And see, basically I'm writing this, and this give an error because see, this is nothing. When this give an error, then you need to alert. But after typing this, see, on error, and after that if I typing something, see, they removed everything. Means they have a length also. See, so we cannot use more. So let's use this. See, sometimes what happen, your payload in one line when you are typing, then this have some type of limitations. So you can use this line changing. Okay. So after that, alert 1. So basically, see, image source equals to a on error alert 1. So let's say, see, type image source a on error alert 1. But see, this is inside double quotation. So we need to fix this. See, this is executing. See, first we try to find out, okay, see, after using this, see, this will give an error. So we told that, okay, when this give an error, then use this. So basically, see, you will find out this image source on error alert in this also, this kind of payload, like on error alert 1. So search there, you will find out this kind of payload also in this. Okay, so what we did, like, okay, type equals to image, but there is no image. Because of that, this will give an error, and we fix this because see, this is double quotation. So we use this, close this double quotation. After this, see, this is fixed, and after that, this is executing. So they are doing it. See, this is basically DOM clobbering. So what is DOM clobbering? So DOM clobbering is like, you can say, it's using a segmentation. So it's a writing, like split the things and writing in the format. So what this is doing, let's say we have this part, like they are given an example. Okay, you have this URL http bin.org post hash name equals to met. Okay, you have this. So what this JavaScript will do, like this they do, okay, variable segment equals to input dot split on behalf of less. This is saying, like, okay, split this on the behalf of parenthesis. Means this is one part and this is second part. See, because this is splitting this. So this is using, like, see, variable form URL segment 0. See, this is, see, always when you are counting, see, this is first part and this is second part. But see, when we are starting counting in the JavaScript, it will start from the 0. So this is 0th part and this is first part. Okay, and after that, if we will something hash, and if we have something, that is second part. Okay, so for first it's segment 0, and this is, see, json.parse. So after that, like, see, after hash, the second part, this will parse that using, see, this is basically a Java JSON. So because of that, this is parsing. Okay, after that, they are creating a form element. Okay, and after that, they will check, like, okay, if there is an action, then do these things, and otherwise this, okay, action forbidden. So we need to supply this and check out, like, what happened. See, this become these thing. See, this become this. So see what's happening here. See, HTML source form action, this method equals to post, input name equals to name, and value equals to this. So see, this is the second part. So they created it from this DOM clobbering. So yep, and after that, they are saying, okay, if there is a action, there is an action, that is okay. If there is no action, then action is forbidden. And if you want to see, this is, everything is okay. But see, we want to execute our payload, and this is in a, our payload is going into a URL. See, action equals to things, and our payload is equal to going into the URL. So when you want to execute your payload in URL things, that time you can use some specific payloads. And you payloads are, I will show you. the event handler. Let's go below this. These are the all event handler. This is common tags. See, these are the protocol based. Like if they are like some kind of like, see, this is a URL. See, basically href means like, see, after href we will write URL. So this is the after URL we can use JavaScript alert payload, means we can use this payload. Like if you will see these kind of things, then you can use this JavaScript alert one. See, and let's see, like, see, so you can use this here. So we will use here, and I am not using this directly because see, all things are already written there. See, href and these things. See, you can check out here, there. See, form, action, everything is written there. So I will write JavaScript directly. JavaScript alert one. Okay, but this is the action forbidden. Why? See, this is checking if this find the action thing there, then this will execute, otherwise this won't execute. So what we can do, like we can change this to action. Let's say I change it to action. See, after that this is executing, because see, this is find out. Okay, there is an this alert payload and there is an action. After that this will execute. See,